Did you know that 100 grams of this exotic fruit contains just 60 calories, making it a great choice for those watching their waistlines? And that's not all. Dragon fruit also packs a powerful nutritional punch with 3% of the RDI of vitamin C, 4% of RDI of iron, and a whopping 10% of RDI of magnesium. So let's jump onto how to make an amazing sugar-free dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss. This dragon fruit smoothie is going to contain natural sugar from fruits, healthy fats, and fiber to fill you up. So I take half of the dragon fruit, drop in some raspberries to up the vitamin C levels in this dragon fruit weight loss smoothie. Then I add in some overnight soaked almonds. Now why? Because healthy fats in almonds can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. Then we add in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in thiamine. Now thiamine is going to help to turn the food into energy to keep the nervous system healthy. Now to gulp all this down, you need some liquid. So I'm going to add half a cup of oat milk. To sweeten this up, I'm using maple syrup, but you can either skip it or use raw cane sugar. And then we blend this beautiful mix of fruits and milk. What if I told you that you could make someone smile today by hitting that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload a video? Coming back, this dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss is naturally sweeter, and this 1 glass is all you require for your breakfast. And if you thought this was a wonderful recipe, great video, I got a lot more smoothie recipe videos done on this channel. You can check them out right here. Or if you want to know why you need to be careful with the yellow dragon fruit, I've also linked that up here. And I shall see you on another video. Take care.